the guy looking for the perfect lover, the kind of love you only see in a novel. I wasn't waiting for some shiny unicorn. I've nothing I heard rolling in your dome, but all of a sudden you're the hero of my story. I celebrate the love and only stole me glory. I still remember the way this whole thing started. I was walking down the city, feeling down and broken hearted. But then I guess all roads lead to Rome, a full front collision on my way home. I cut a corner, down we hit and crash. The crash has been the first and hasn't been the last, 'cause it's a different kind of love from any other old school dating is the boat. We are explorers, it's a different kind of love, and everyone is looking like we crazy people just escaping from lonely. Sometimes I feel that you are from another planet, the way you attract these small disasters like a magnet. And I don't know if you are from outer space, but I can tell you, girl, I'm enjoying the race. Because I knew when we hit and crashed, my crazy love circus was here at last. This is romantic in a very funny way. I know our kind of love is the one made to stay, 'cause it's a different kind of love from any other old school dating is a boat. We are explorers, it's a different kind of love, and everyone is looking like we're crazy people just escaping from lonely. The way that you talk, the way that you move, you make fun of me while I make fun of you. But we always fit, precise as a glove. I really enjoy a different kind of love. Oh, oh, a different kind of love. A different kind of love. A different kind of love. Lost in the art of a foreign nation, in a shop to escape the rain, not to have a conversation. And that's the moment you step in to find some shelter too, and get a word you seen by girl. Her eyes are ready new, 'cause I don't know what your lips are saying. Don't get a word, but it's the most beautiful thing I've ever heard. And just a small hello, that's all that we can say. Doesn't sound like much, but it's enough to make me stay. It's just a small hello, but more than 1,000 words, 'cause it's a small hello that made my world flip and turn. And then the rain was thick and still, it started pouring. We just ignored the flood and left, had the thunder roaring, 'cause the drumming of the rain cannot compete with two heartbeats speeding like a train at 3,000 feet and 'cause I don't know I sing. Don't get a word, but it's the most beautiful thing I've ever heard. And just a small alert,